Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
Hello and welcome. Before we start, just want to let you know that no AI, that is artificial intelligence, was ever used in the composition, production or recognition of any of the patterns, levels, analysis or any related items on these, my charts. This was all my own original work, as I think you deserve to have that. So with that, ICE Brent crude oil futures. A counter to the counter bullish piercing line pattern and outside day on Friday, after the previous session's immediate countering bearish engulfing pattern and bearish opening black Mariposa. The base of the action was on the well highlighted December 2021 low at 65.66, with further support from the broken but still refusing to die dark blue upper tine, currently 66.15, of the showrunner for this market since last summer, the many times broken and many times repaired, though still broken at the moment, dark blue April to July 2024 bearish shift pitchfork. Meanwhile, the top side was initially capped by the combination of the July 2021 low at 67.43 and a flatlining mauve medium moving average currently at 67.55, but more effectively by the green short medium moving average currently at 68.20. This green short medium moving average is now a precursor to the previously well highlighted large congestion area overhead starting at 68.33 and stretching up to the 70.13 area, containing the flatlining short medium moving average currently at 69.30. Now this is one of a number of overhead congestion areas that stretch up to at least 73.73. Now looking below, we have the combined May and August 2021 lows at 64.58, which is just ahead of the bright red neckline extension currently at 64.43 of the March to May 2020 reverse head and shoulders bottom. Now, so far today, a higher open with a move up that was immediately capped by the combination of the mauve medium moving average and the July 21 low, and prices have since pulled back down a little, but we are still within last Friday's, well, we're just a little bit above last Friday's close right now. Spot gold. A second indecisive spinning top on Friday, but one that could be seen as a reactionary bullish engulfing pattern after the previous session's indecisive spinning top that could be seen as a bearish dark cloud cover pattern. A lot of things could be seen as other things there, basically. This indecision is hardly a surprise, as we have seen the market last week reach up and achieve both primary target X at 36.15 and the harder to reach secondary target X1 at 36.61. These targets are for the break higher from the previously highlighted bright green rectangle pattern, currently 32.47 to 34.51, which I mentioned 5 weeks ago, and I quote, some sort of rectangle pattern outlined in bright green on my daily chart from about mid-April today and in price between roughly the June low at 32.47 and the June high at 34.51, end of quote. The initial push higher was prompted 5 weeks ago when I also said, and I quote, prices, especially the open and close, were perfectly outlined and the squeeze highlighted by the support below from the slowly rising mauve medium moving average, currently 33.64, and overhead by the flatlining green short medium moving average, currently 34.02, end of quote. The question is, what now? And the current indecision of the last two sessions, in fact earlier than that possibly, is a symptom of that question. I do note that overhead, not too far overhead, we have the 50% projected Fibonacci line at 36.91, while support below, somewhat tenuous support below, but it's down at the April high at 3,500. Now, so far today, either side of Friday's close, though with an interesting attempt below Friday's low that so far has not amounted to much. I'm wondering whether this will develop into a bullish halfway hesitation, this pattern over the last week or so, or a topping action.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.